If you are trying to build your dropshipping business right now, testing products, running ads, learning from YouTube, but you still feel like that you cannot scale your store profitably, then pay very close attention to this video. Because the truth is, dropshipping still works in 2026, but most of the stores fail for the three major reasons which nobody really talks about. And if you don't fix these problems, then your stores will stay stuck no matter how many products you test. Now imagine something for a second. You waking up in the morning, seeing your Shopify sales dashboard and seeing a consistent sales coming up on a daily basis, your ads running profitably, your store scaling, and your revenues growing without constantly worrying about your RTO eating up your margins, your ads dying out when you are trying to scale your products, and customer rejecting your deliveries at their doorstep. And that's the goal most people get into dropshipping for: freedom, online income, and getting the ability to work from wherever you can. Now, if we haven't met before, my name is Mohit Jalan. Unlike most people teaching dropshipping today, I am actively running my stores where I have been doing 400 plus orders every single day. And over the past few years, we have helped hundreds of students start and scale their own e-commerce business.
Of course, I think we are less experienced than yours. I think the call was very much insightful, I would say.
मेरे को बहुत ही अच्छा हेल्पफुल मिला है। जो भी मेरे डाउट्स थे, इतने मैंने प्रीपेड कोर्सेज ले रखे थे, बहुत कुछ मेरे डाउट्स क्लियर नहीं हो रहे थे। क्रिएटिव से रिलेटेड, मेटा से रिलेटेड, प्रोडक्ट से रिलेटेड सारे मैंने डाउट्स क्लियर कर लिए। अब दोबारा से रीशेड्यूल करके आपको अच्छे रिजल्ट ला के देंगे।
मुझे एक्चुअली बहुत ज़्यादा क्लैरिटी मिला है आपके सेशन के साथ। आपने बहुत सिंपल वे में मेरे कोर प्रॉब्लम्स सॉल्व किए हैं और मुझे लग रहा है जो भी आप टिप्स दे रहे हो वो प्रैक्टिकल है, जो मैं इम्प्लीमेंट कर सकती हूँ खुद से ही। तो या
15-16 लाख स्पेंड करने के बाद भी मेरे एड अकाउंट के साथ क्या हुआ कि बीच में परफॉर्मेंस आना बंद हो गई। तो मेरे को जो बेस्ट चीज ये थी कि मेरे को क्लैरिटी मिल जाए और एक सिस्टम मिल जाए जिसको मैं फॉलो कर सकूँ। तो अभी आपके साथ बात करके मुझे वो सिस्टम मिल गया है and I'll be very honest कि मैं उसको अच्छे से टेस्ट करूंगा।
Students who started with no experience now are running profitable stores and earning good amount of profit on a daily basis. But here's the reality most people experience after they start doing dropshipping. Launching a store is easy, launching your ads is easy, but scaling your store profitably in the Indian market is the real challenge here. Because sooner or later, every dropshipper runs into these problems. Problem number 1, RTO. You start getting orders, but more than 50% of the orders or sometimes 70% gets returned. Problem number 2, ad rejection. As soon as you launch a product, whenever you start scaling them, Meta starts rejecting your ad, which leads to stopping up your business whenever you are about to scale or earn profits from them. Ads just stop working when you scale them. Many people start their business, even launch their ads, and they see profits on their initial stages when they are running ads on a very low budget. But as soon as you start increasing the budget, you see a dip in your ROAS, dip in the performance, and you start seeing very inconsistent results. Most people at this point thinks that dropshipping does not work anymore. But the truth is that this business works, they just miss out the right system required to scale it. Now the reason why this is happening, because most of the students are learning from outdated YouTube videos or outdated pre-recorded courses or some incomplete strategies. They know how to launch their business, they know how to run meta ads, but they don't know how to scale their business profitably, how to start testing multiple products, how to keep a basket full of eggs so that if one of your product dies down, your business completely does not shut down. At the end, what they do, keep switching product, increase the ad budget blindly, or they hope that their next product might magically work. And that is why most people stay stuck for months or even years in this particular business model, which is why we created this 45 days live ecom workshop, a step-by-step program which is not only designed to help you start, but it is designed to help you scale your business profitably in the Indian market with current scenario. Inside this mentorship program, nothing is hidden. We will show you the exact system we are using to build and scale our stores, including how to design your Shopify stores which really works in 2026, how to run your ads profitably, how to make good creatives and how to create multiple creatives from a single one, how to scale your products when it is really needed. Should you scale your products till 200 orders or 100 orders, or can it be scaled to 500 orders a day? How to significantly reduce RTO and how to increase is your prepaid orders. And these are the system which really defines that will your store become profitable or not. And the reason why we are confident in this system, because it really worked for students who were facing issues to consistently scale their stores. They were not getting any consistent result. They were not able to run ads profitably. They were not able to find a good product which can be tested in the current scenario in this market. Students who were stuck for months are now profitably scaling their businesses. Now, when you join this mentorship, you will be getting step-by-step training modules, live mentorship sessions, product feedback and guidance, ad account reviews, private community access, direct support from our team. Everything that you need to build and scale your dropshipping business. And to make this completely risk-free, we are running a 30-day money-back guarantee program where you join our program for 30 days, and if you feel that it was not valuable for you, then we'll refund to you 100% of the amount, no questions asked. So if you are serious about building a profitable dropshipping business, just go and book a call with our team. On the call, we'll understand your current situation, look at your stores and business idea, and show you exactly how we can help you. And if it makes sense to us, then we'll invite you to the mentorship program. And if not, then you'll still walk away with clarity of what steps to take next. But fair warning, this is not for everyone. This is only for students who are really looking forward to build something of their own and put in the efforts which is required to scale this business profitably. So if that sounds like you, just go below and book your call.